Lawn care: when to fertilize. Fertilizing a lawn adds necessary nutrients for good growth and healthy grass. Determine how much fertilizer to apply by using a soil test. Water the lawn immediately after applying fertilizer. Fertilize before planting. Apply phosphorus and potassium fertilizer before planting or seeding a lawn. Mix the fertilizer into the root zone, following the label instructions for dosage. Best times to fertilize. The best time to fertilize the lawn is early fall. Fertilize lightly in the spring and early summer, heavily in the fall. Don't apply fertilizer in the summer. Fall applications encourage early greening in the spring without the excessive growth spurt caused by a heavy spring application. Quick release nitrogen. When quick-release nitrogen fertilizers are used, 3 to 5 applications are required. Apply once in the spring and the remaining applications in August, September and mid-October. Slow-release nitrogen. Slow-release fertilizers last longer and can be applied in larger amounts. They are particularly beneficial on sandy soils that do not hold nutrients well. Apply twice a year, once in the spring and again in the fall.